Okay, Blooket game tips. This one is the most fun. It's time for Santa's workshop, but I'm going to pause it as I set it up so you don't have to watch the boring stuff. All right, here we go. I'm going to start it. Here I am from student perspective. Okay, so let's go through. Always not, I'm probably not going to answer 75 questions, so that's a better deal. Okay, so I want to pick, well, swap when I'm a teacher, and I pick this. I'm going to swap with the student at the bottom who has the least. Okay, so that's kind of fun. Students, however, don't usually do that. Okay, which is fine. Now here, obviously 75 is higher than 10. Pick this one. Okay, and let's see, 1 per question or 5? 5 is better, right? Okay, so let's see, 100 or 10. I'm probably going to answer more than 10 questions. That's a better deal. Okay, so let's see, 5 per question, definitely versus 10. 10 seems more at first, but 5 per question is a way better deal. Okay, same with this, 5 per question is a way better deal. All right, this always, hands down, if you get double or triple per question, absolutely pick that. Okay, 10 or 10 per question, come on, strategy, strategy, strategy. Okay, this, if you're playing with other people, this is great. Okay, I would definitely choose this over this, but I'm playing by myself right now, so that's not a good one to choose. Okay, 10 per question or 50. I'm probably going to do more than 5 questions, so I'm going to choose that one. Okay, 25 is obviously higher than 10. Okay, and let's see, 5. I'm probably not going to get to 25 more questions in this short game. Okay, so I would choose that one. If it were a longer game, I would have chosen the other one. Okay, so let's see, 15 or 5? 15. And let's see, take 10. Again, if you're playing with someone else, that's a better deal. Okay, so let's see. Oh, triple. Yes, do this. That's always the best one. Okay, so if you get a double or a triple, whether it's per question. Okay, am I going to answer 25 more questions? Let's go with just 25. Okay, so I might get 5 questions. Okay, hopefully that was not a bad choice. 25 is better than 5. Okay, double per question or double. It's a tough one. I'm going to go with this one though. That was a tough one to answer, only because we're closer to the end of the game, which is the reason I would have picked that one. Okay, so let's double that for sure versus 5 per question. Okay, so that was better. 20, yes. 20, yes, please. 10, yes, please. 10 or 10 per question? How about per question? Okay. All right, so there we are at the end. So a couple tips for this. Obviously, it's speed. You're going to want to get through questions as quickly as you can. But the second tip would be to look at the value of each one before you pick it. You don't want to spend a ton of time choosing, but if it's a straight value or if it's per question, kind of decide what's going to be better. Also, double or triple is almost always a win. Do that one. Okay, and if you're playing with other people, taking and swapping could be a great deal. Okay, so this one, hands down, is the most fun and most interactive. So hopefully you like it as much as we do.